China has curbed rare earth exports while Pakistan shipped its first rare earth consignment to the US. China is tightening its rare earth exports controls, expanding restrictions on processing technology, barring unauthorized overseas cooperation, and spelling out its intention to limit exports to overseas defense and semiconductor users. This has led to the latest escalation of the trade war between US and China. Trump issued a threat of a 100% tariff on all Chinese imports into the US after China placed stricter restrictions on rare earths, a vital resource used in electronics. Now, China also did not back down in a back and forth with the US over trade, calling for Trump to withdraw his latest threat of a 100% tariff.
中方敦促美方尽快纠正错误做法，以两国元首通话重要共识为引领。如果美方一意孤行，中方也必将坚决采取相应措施，维护自身正当权益。
Now, rare earths are a group of 17 chemically similar elements that are crucial to the manufacture of many high-tech products. The critical minerals are used in a broad range of products, from jet engines, radar systems, and automotives to consumer electronics, including laptops and phones. Now, under China's new rules, licenses will be required for the export of technologies used in rare earth mining, smelting, and processing, as well as for magnets manufacturing. Now, the regulations announced by the Ministry of Commerce require foreign companies to get special approval to export items that contain even small traces of rare earth element sourced from China. These restrictions have been placed to safeguard national security and interests by preventing the materials from being used directly or indirectly in military and other sensitive fields, the ministry has said. Now, China accounts for nearly 70% of the world's rare earth mining. It also controls roughly 90% of global rare earths processing. Now, rare earths emerge as a key source of friction between the world's two largest economies in April, when Beijing placed exports control on 7 types of rare earth minerals in response to Trump's reciprocal tariffs on Chinese goods. The move has disrupted global supply chains, affecting industries from automobiles to defense. Only in June did China and the US formalize a deal on rare earth shipments, slowly easing the shortage of the critical elements. Now, this current regulation creates Beijing's version of US rules. US blocks countries from selling chip-making equipment to China, and the US has used those measures to slow China's development of powerful chips that could be used for artificial intelligence with military applications. However, while China has historically dominated rare earth exports, the US is actively seeking to diversify supply chains by engaging with Pakistan, which recently shipped its first rare earth consignment to America to reduce reliance on Chinese monopolies. Pakistan possesses significant untapped reserves of rare earth elements, estimated to be worth trillions of dollars. Pakistan has often highlighted its untapped reserve of oil, gas, and minerals, including rare earths, mainly in conflict-hit Balochistan and KPK. Now, though these deposits remain unproven commercially, the country's leaders have reportedly showcased samples to the US president. However, Lin Jian refuted reports suggesting that China's new measures aim to thwart Pakistan's effort to use Chinese technologies to facilitate its rare earths export to the US.
你刚才提到的相关报道，或是不了解实情，或是捕风捉影，甚至是挑拨离间，是缺乏根据的。中方日前发布的关于稀土等相关物项的出口管制措施与巴基斯坦没有任何关联，这是中国政府依据法律法规完善自身出口管制体系的正当做法。